Hello everyone, I'm Hollis Hart with STEGO Incorporated here in Kennesaw, Georgia. I wanted to tell you about a design feature in our pressure compensation device, otherwise known as vent plug, that is different from others in the industry. But I'm also excited to tell you about our new aluminum version, in addition to our traditional plastic and stainless steel version. This differentiating design feature is really at the heart of our company's slogan, simply innovative, better for sure. But rather than tell you our story, I want to share with you a story from one of our OEM customers in the Northeast, which was recently validated by another customer of ours here in the Southeast. As you can see here in our photo from the OEM customer, the offering here on your left, the membrane is just below the breathing slots. Whereas on our design, the breathing membrane is in line with the breathing slots. And what matters is that sitting below, when you have a horizontal mount, water can collect in here. Whereas even on a horizontal mount, ours allows for the water to easily escape. The reason this feature matters is the design engineer doesn't know the position of the plug when it goes in the field. With alternative design, water will collect on the membrane, it cannot breathe, it cannot compensate for pressure, and your device will fail. With our design, water is able to escape, membrane can breathe, and your product will last.